Good morning students. In this video session we are going to learn to solve a linear equations. So here I have taken one question of linear equation. The question is 3 bracket 5x minus 7, then they have given bracket close, they have given minus 2 bracket, that is 9x minus 11 is equal to 4 bracket 8x minus 13 minus 17. So this one how we solve, that we will see today. So whenever you know that a number and a bracket is given, and between this number and the bracket there is no sign given to us, we always multiply. So here you can see that in between this 3 and this bracket there is no sign of plus or minus is there. So what we need to do, we need to multiply, or first of all you can think of removing this bracket, and this bracket can only be removed when we multiply. So first step is to multiply. So here I can put here this sign, 3 into 5 we will get 15. Then here x is there, so you write here x. Now be careful with the sign also. Here you can see in front of plus 3 there is no sign given. Whenever there is no sign, it is always positive, means it is plus sign there. So plus into minus, so we will get here minus 3 into 7 we got 21. So the first bracket we have removed by multiplying it with 3. Now next one in the same way we can do. So here you can see minus 2 is there, and here it is plus. So minus into plus we will get minus. Then 2 into 9 we will get 18. And x is there, so write here x. Now here you can see minus into minus, so it will be plus. 2 into 11, that is 22. So we got 22. Now there is an equal to sign, so put here equal to sign. Now multiply plus into plus, we will get plus 4 into 8, we will get 32. Then we will get here x. Now plus into minus, again we got minus. 13 4 jar 52. Okay, so this bracket also we have removed. Now here you can see minus 17 is given there, so put here minus 17. Now after multiplying, what shall we do? So we try that we bring all the numbers with the variables towards the left hand side, and the numbers without the variables towards the right hand side. Variables means the numbers with alphabets, that is here you can see x is there, 15x minus 18x. Here you can see on the right hand side it is 32x. So this equal to sign in between, whatever the equation is given, this side is known as the left hand side, and equal to sign, whatever the equation is there or the numbers are there, that one is known to be the right hand side. And when we take any of this number from left to right or right to left, that is known to be the transposition. Okay, so here we are going to do the transposition, that is bringing all the variables towards the left hand side and taking all the constant number towards the right hand side. So here first of all we will write what are the things on the left hand side. You write first. So here 15x is given, then here you can see minus 18x is given. Then from here on the left hand side only 2 numbers are with the variables, and on the right hand side 1 is there. So here you can see you have to be careful when you are doing the transposition, means whether you are taking from left to right or right to left, the sign of the number will change. That means when it is plus, when you are bringing towards the right side or left side, it will be changed into minus sign. Like here from the right side, you can see there is no sign here, means that means it is 32 plus 32x. Now I want to bring this towards the left hand side. So plus 32x will change into minus 32x. So this will become minus 32x. So all the x1 I have brought towards the left hand side. Now I will bring all the constant number or the numbers without the variables towards the right hand side. So if you want, for your benefit, what we can do is whatever it is given already in the right hand side, let us write first that one. So minus 52 minus 17 is given. So first we will write minus 52 minus 17. Then I will think what are the numbers that I can bring from the left hand side. So this is minus 21, but now I am taking this minus 21 towards the right hand side, from the left to right. So minus sign is there, so it will become a plus sign. So we will write here plus 21. Now next number you can see what is there, plus 22. So again I am taking this one to the right hand side from left to right. So it is plus, so it will become minus. So here I will write minus 22. Okay, so you can see all the variables are on the left hand side, all the constant numbers are on the right hand side. Now only one plus is there, two minus are there. So you add the two minus together. So we can write one more step here, that is 15x minus 18 plus 32. We will get how much? 50. That is 50x. Then put here equal to sign. Now here you can see there are three minus: minus 52, minus 17 and minus 22. Only one plus is there, that is plus 21. So first of all we will add all the minus 1. So if we are adding 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So we got minus 91. What is plus given to us? 21. Okay. Now next step, find the difference of these two. So 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Minus 1 is greater. Minus 50 is greater than minus 50. So our answer will come in minus 50 minus 50. We will get here 35x minus 35x. Now same thing on the right hand side. Minus 91 plus 21. Minus 1 is greater. So again I will get the answer in minus. So 1 minus 1 I got 0. 9 minus 2 I got 7. So I got minus 35x is equal to minus 70. Now what we need to do? This here, if we want, we can cancel both the minus sign because both are having minus, or we can write like this also. In the last step we can do the cancellation, that is also. So here we can write x, we will take x is equal to, here it is minus 70 by this number will come in the denominator, that is minus 35. So this minus and this minus got cancelled, or minus minus will become plus. Okay, now we can cancel these two numbers if it is getting cancelled. So with 35 we can cancel 35 1 jar 35, 2 jar 70. So we got last is x is equal to this 2. We write answer is 2. So we can say that the value of x here is 2. So this is how we solve a linear equation. There are another types of questions. This one I have taken the bracket ones. The next one we will try where they have given us with fractions. So different types of question I will send you. So please watch these videos and try to understand and solve the question that are given in the book. Thank you.